Well, let's take a look at watching repos. And I actually can point out a repo that drives me crazy because somehow I got subscribed to it and they update it so often, and it's Winglang. And I'm not saying it's a bad project. I'm just saying like they really shouldn't have opted everybody into the to the alerts because it's driven me crazy. So like notice here I said stop ignoring because I was like tired of getting updates for this. And the reason why was that in order to get access to this project in the beta, they had to add you in some manner. I'm not sure if it was a contributor or something else, but all I know I was really getting sick and tired of getting alerts on my phone. So, because it'll have it in summaries and it'll fill up these digest emails, and it gets annoying. So I ignored it. Okay, but let's go ahead and I'm going to pretend that I want to watch another project here from Andrew Brown, and we can go over here to GitHub examples, and then we can go ahead and click watch, and we can say all activity, right? We go to custom, change, maybe we just want issues. Okay, I'll go back and say for everything here. There we go. And I just want to point out that if you go to your settings over here, and then we go to notifications, we can control, you know, what we want to see for notifications, specifically for watching. We can say here on GitHub or email. You can say, I don't want the emails. Okay, so very straightforward. Is there a place to see all of the stuff that you're watching? Probably. We could try like, I think it's under notifications. It's like notifications, maybe it's like watching. I know this is in another slide later on in the course. Here it is. And so I can see everything that I'm watching, and I could just say, stop watching all this stuff. Notice that I'm automatically watching stuff for my own repos. So automatically you're always set to watch all of them, if that makes sense. But there you go.